Hi guys, welcome again to this beautiful vlog. Voice over Melody here, and that is because we lost some audios to this video. But then let's go ahead. This video is all about unboxing the things we got for baby and all that baby will be using. Not really all, but some of them. I'm starting with this mosquito net. Yeah, this is mosquito net, which would cover all the beds in the house. Yeah, up to 3 to 4 inside that part. Up next is baby's bed. Yeah, we are using this bed for him. The only downside of it is that he would soon outgrow it. Next is baby's bicycle. This is his sister's bicycle. Kamsi Ochukwu, my first daughter, used it before Chorus, the second, used, and now baby will be using it. Then we have this net. Sorry, not net. This bed. This is a lounging mat here, and the other one is a changing mat, just lounging mat that had accessories, the pillows, the blanket and all. Maybe if he wants to relax in the parlor, we use it for him, while the other one is just for changing his diaper and then dressing him up. This is this baby swing, which I don't know where the components are, but I'll still look for it. But then this is a baby swing from Cora used it and is passing down to her brother. Up next is this Fisher Price, which I don't know where all the properties are, like everything in it is just a skeletal part there now, but then we'll still look for it. This is baby's rack where we just put his soap and every other things in it, and this is coming from Cora too. And yeah, I got this when I gave birth to Kamsi, but she never used it. Handed it over to her sister Cora. She didn't use it, and now baby is using it. Yeah, he's really using it, and that's the baby warmer. Now over to the baby bath from Cora used this with the whole set. Since everything is intact, there was no need buying another one for baby, so baby is using it now. Up next is the diaper. I got lots and lots of these because I didn't want to hear stories. Then with wipes also, and the good part of it is that he also got lots of diapers as gifts. So at this point baby is swimming in diapers. Yeah, he's having a whole lot of it at this point. Then we have his bottles. Funny enough, before my first daughter Kamsi had her own pack, she never used it. I don't know what happened to those packs. Second daughter Cora had her own pack. She used, I think, just a bottle or two from there. The rest is history. But this one, baby is using his own. As I speak at this point, he has, I think he's just remaining one. Yeah, he's really making good use of it. The next is this flannel we are using. Yeah, this two-in-one flannel is just as big as a wrapper, and it's really serving very well. Up next we have baby shoes. See, I'm not buying two. Baby has just these two pairs of shoes. The one that would make it three is just the sandals, which is not even his size yet. His sisters had sandals, shoes which they've never wore. They had them before, just at this stage, and we got lots and lots of them, but they never wore them. We had to give them out. So instead of repeating that, baby is having just two. When he starts walking, he will have much like his sisters. You see this manual breast pump, please don't buy it. Everyone advised against it. I got it. I never even used it because I knew it was more like useless. People are, the review is not good, so I'll be giving it out. I bought it when I gave it to Cora. I didn't use it. Baby, now I'm not using it for him. I'm giving it out. Then this is yeah, for my boy, maybe his first day in church. I don't know, but it's just a cute set of matching outfits for him. Is it matching outfits? I don't know, but just a cute set of baby clothes for my boy. This here is baby's rack. Yeah, his laundry bag here. That's where we put all his dirty clothes. We have, everyone in this house have theirs, so this is baby's one now, and it's so colorful. I like it. Now you see these dresses, we didn't just buy it. These ones are old dresses. When I say old dresses, they have never been worn, but then we bought it when we gave birth to Cora, when we were thinking we'll give birth to a boy. Fortunately we gave birth to a girl, yes, but then we kept it, okay, yeah, for when we have a boy, and a boy is here and he'll be wearing all of them. Right now he's wearing some of them, while some of them are not his size yet. I'll patiently wait till it starts sizing him. Then up next is this pink flax. This is a breakable flax. We got that one gave birth to Cora, but we didn't use it this time around. I don't think we've used it. We've not used it for baby as well. It will remain here. What do we have next? Okay, we have this very durable flax, like I recommend 100%. This one lasts for over 72 hours to keep your water still hot. Got this when we gave birth to Cora. It served very well. it's serving baby also. Now this blanket is from Kamsi, my first daughter. It's still very new. This blanket, this one is from Cora, right? Or Kamsi also, but still very new. Baby will be using them. Then we have these pegs, these clips, obviously for drying clothes. You know what they are for. And what next? Okay, baby spoon and baby's flannel. This was from Kamsi, from Cora, I think. Now my boy has a two-piece. Does his mom have any? My boy is already wearing a two-piece. Now this is, you see this rack here. I don't know why I bought it because we have lots of them at home. I just saw the color and liked it. This baby carrier, I don't know if I'll be using it because obviously it's not my size. You can see my size in the video here, so that thing won't size me. Nice seal for the winds, for cold weathers, very important. Now this comfort, is for your conditioning your clothes. You already know what it is for baby's clothes. The combs and then the gloves for delivery. I don't know how I went to the market to pack all the gloves in this roll. Like, these are not just all, I got lots of them. And this is a baby's soap dish, affordable baby's soap dish. I don't know if my mic is working at this point, but let's continue. That's delivery mats, got lots of them too. Baby's brush, and then this milk, milk what, sorry, for storing milk, baby's breast milk in the freezer. I've forgotten the name, I'm sorry. Then we have, okay, cut clam. I never used any of them, but I got up to 2 to 3 of them. I didn't use them. Unplug. This is electric breast pump for baby. Electric breast pump for baby. All these are teethers. Baby's teethers. Okay. Okay. This is baby's bag. I can't find the bigger one. There are 3 sizes. But this is the one I can find. After I look for the bigger one. But this is baby's diaper bag. From Cora. Toothbrush. 2-in-1 toothbrush.
Is it for me?
Okay, get nylon and change it.
Is it for me?
This is jig.
This
is baby's pillow. This breastfeeding pillow from Cora. She used it. Baby will be also be using it. Breastfeeding pillow.
Give me.
Okay.
No.
These ones are my own maternity gowns. Maternity and breastfeeding gowns. I just hair bonnet, just stuff for me. My own stuff. So you probably see that when I'll be packing my hospital bag. So for now, let's just put them back because of time. Breastfeeding pillow. This is breastfeeding pillow for baby. Okay, there's a shoe here too for baby. There's a shoe here inside. Well, I'm not opening it now, but this is breastfeeding pillow for baby. Why can I be cold? Hey, cold. I'm not bring out everything. Guys, sorry, there are a lot, so I can't show you everything. At this point, we're even tired. So let's just show you the plates. Jesus, I have wasted money. Another delivery man. I like cake for people. I've wasted money here. What's like baby secrets, baby's cream. So this cream they said it has got the cream, the soap, the powder, everything for baby. But I'm using this one to represent because my hand is paining me already. The account I'll send you out from here. One one is pads, obviously for delivery. This one is breast pad. These ones are baby's oil and everything. Let's pick it up. Mocha spirit and the rest. Guys, this bag is heavy. I'm not preparing me. Please place it on the bed. Let me give you the rubbish. There are a lot inside there. A lot. Hey, this one is crazy. Oh, no. It's heavy. I'm still okay. Then sponge for baby. Another sponge for baby.
Let me see.
Cap for baby. Soap dish for baby. Hangers. 2 sets of hangers. face towel here for baby. Cap. Jimpo Ori. Face towels again for baby.
Mommy.
Then we got this net, this umbrella net, just in case baby wants to on our bed, to make sure no form of mosquito bites baby. Umbrella net. When just baby's bed, maybe going out, and when baby wants to, come to let me talk. When baby wants to relax in the car or anything, baby can just easily use it. This will protect me. Baby's blankets, fluffy blankets.
You want to?
Baby's sets of clothing.
Auntie.
Baby's overall.
Auntie.
Funny how this is only overall we got for baby. Baby's overall.
Yeah, what's it called?
Baby's flannel.
Auntie, I think I got it all.
God used somebody to perform miracle for us. Pouch, sets of pads here. Smoothie, just got smoothie because the children used it. So, what is for baby? Another spirit. Cotton wool. Pseudo cream. Baby's grooming kits. A set of socks for baby. Guys, this is the best that we can do at this point. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. We self, not only we are tired. So just the ones we've shown you. Subsequent times, obviously, when we start using them on baby, you will see them. So thank you so much for stopping by. And the next video you'll be seeing is what is in my hospital bag. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. I really do appreciate you. And don't make it your last. Support this woman, support this pregnant woman that have time to just show you all these things, and click on the subscribe button, like, share, and do all that good stuff. We'll see you in the next video, guys.